Welcome to the Daily Intelligence Brief from IntelStor for the 17th of November 2025. In today's top renewable energy news, Nigeria has unveiled its first comprehensive wind energy blueprint, marking a major leap in the nation's clean energy transition. The National Council on Climate Change described the initiative as a defining moment in global climate action. The blueprint represents a shift from broad policy intentions to concrete project development. By providing technical measurements, modeling results, and feasibility data, it bridges the gap between policy design and bankable renewable energy projects. The government of Colombia has released 5,000 megawatts of transmission capacity in the national interconnected system over the past 3 years. It is the largest recovery of grid availability in the country's history. By August 2024, it had cleared 54 grid connection requests, representing 3,155 megawatts of potential generation capacity. An additional 47 projects, accounting for more than 1,400 megawatts, were removed in 2025 after a detailed technical review that assessed each project's real progress and compliance with regulatory requirements. Guatemala's Ministry of Energy and Mines is preparing a new round of electric transmission tenders after the failure of the PET-3 procurement process. The objective is to reinforce the country's transmission infrastructure and ensure the long-term reliability of the national power grid. During the PET-3 process, the only bid submitted failed to pass the technical evaluation due to documentation issues. With no qualified competitors, the tender was declared void. Over the past 4 years, North Macedonia has achieved strong growth in renewable energy sources. A total of 1,200 megawatts of capacity has been connected to the grid. That marks a new phase of the country's energy transition. Renewable energy sources account for more than half of North Macedonia's total installed electricity generation capacity. As of 2024, it is at 56%. Solar power plants account for 28%, while large hydropower plants have a 24% share. Global investment in the energy transition reached a record $2.4 trillion in 2024, with $807 billion directed to renewable energy power generation. The renewables total accounted for around 1/3 of all transition finance. However, annual growth slowed to 7.3% in 2024 compared with 32% in the previous year. Solar PV investment was a bright spot, as it rose 49% to $554 billion. You can learn more about all of IntelStor's market and sales intelligence offerings at www.intelstor.com and subscribe to our channel today.